So we had there, first thing we want to do is we want to get these two exhaust clamps off the back. There's one right here, there's one right behind it. If you look, there's some nuts on there, little rusty nuts. They're a 9/16 socket, so I got a 9/16 socket on there. Got my ratchet on there. We'll get those guys broke loose, and then I'll let you know the next step. So working on this driver's side. Working on the driver's side of the vehicle. There's one rubber mount here. I sprayed some WD-40 and got that one wiggled off. There's another one up front there, got that one wiggled off. So now this whole exhaust section is kind of loose. So the next step will be just wiggling it back and forth to get this chunk to come outside of the muffler. There it is. Got that side pulled out. By the way, I'm doing this whole thing just with the vehicle sitting on the ground. I was able to get it off. So now we'll go and get the next side off. Repeat the procedure again on that side. So if we're looking at it, you've got one rubber mount here. Follow the end, there's one here. And that's it on this side. So on the passenger side, there's only one. Right here, the driver's side had two. We'll get this one sprayed up, lubed up, and pull this section out. So some of you might be wondering how to get these things off, so I'll show it on this one. I lube it up.
Oh,
stick a flat screwdriver through there. Get the flat blade part sitting right on the tip. From there you just kind of pull the handle and work it back. Next one we're going to loosen up, this one here in front of the exhaust. So you got muffler, the front clamp. Just to show you back here, both pipes are out. So once we get the front nut loosened up, we'll spray lube on the two hangers back here, both those. And then once those two are off, we'll just wiggle on the exhaust until it comes off. Okay, muffler is out. So now to install it, we'll just do the reverse process. Here's the new Solar Performance tail pieces. There's the end pipes. And here's the muffler. So I'm gonna start by putting in the muffler, putting in those two pieces, putting on the tips. I'll keep you posted. Well, everything's installed now. So we've got our front exhaust clamp right there. Back two exhaust clamps right there. Piping's routed. Back. Quick thing of what it looks like from the back side. So overall, pretty happy with how the tips look. They lined up really nice. Measured them off the ground to make sure they're level. It's good to go. At this point, I've put on probably 1,000 miles with the Mach 44 system from Solar Performance, and I gotta say, I really do enjoy it. The sound here on acceleration, I'll give you a taste of what that sounds like. Happy with it. Going down the highway, you're about 5 decibels louder than you were on stock, so really can't argue a lot there. The wife seems happy, doesn't really complain about excessive noise. Towing trailers still plenty comfortable, but when you want to step on and you want to make some noise, it does open up the Hemi sound and you get to feel the sound just like it's supposed to. In my opinion, this is probably one of the things should have had from the factory. So